While maintaining your floors, it's important to follow the proper procedures to ensure the highest quality of floor care. The following video will take you through the procedures step by step. Spray buffing will keep the appearance of your floors at a high level. Spray buffing uses a rotary machine from 175 to 1500 RPMs. Your local Triple S floor care consultant can recommend the best pad for your floor care program. First, it is important to make sure you have all the proper equipment. For spray buffing, you will need a clean dust mop, dust pan and brush, floor machine, 175 to 1500 RPM, red floor pads or a UHS spray buff pad, spray buff cleaner and polish, caution signs, gloves, and safety glasses. Prior to any floor maintenance procedure, it is important to prep the area. This includes removing any furniture, vacuuming and removing mats, and removing any stickers or gum, putting caution signs in place, and dust mopping. Before spray buffing, the floor should be free of all dirt and debris by wet mopping the floor. Before using any chemicals, wear protective glasses and gloves. Read the label on all chemicals and take the recommended safety precautions. For additional information, read the product MSDS. Mount a Triple S red floor pad onto the low-speed rotary machine. If using high-speed equipment, place the proper UHS spray buff pad on the machine. Spray a light mist to the side of the machine. Then, with your low-speed machine, make 3 or 4 passes to spread the spray buff material over a 10 to 15 square foot area. Buff to a gloss. Buff until the haze is gone and the floor area has a shine. If you are using a higher speed machine, 1000 RPM to 1500 RPM, it's important to keep the machine moving while the machine is running. Running a machine in the same spot can abrade or damage the floor finish and/or floor surface. Whatever your machine, check your pad every few hundred feet. If it's filled up, flip or change as needed. Any spray buff program, remember the basics. Use the right pad for your machine. Don't spray buff over heavy soil. Do a small area at a time and spray buff often enough to keep the gloss you want on the floor. Be sure to inspect your work and correct any steps you might have missed. Immediately clean up equipment at the conclusion of the procedure. All mops must be hung away from the walls. All other equipment is either washed or wiped down and stored in the proper location. When the procedure is complete, remove the wet floor signs. Return furniture and other items cleared from the area to their proper location. When you are finished, wash hands and dry thoroughly.